Welcome back to some InDesign. And what I want to do is look at a way that we can add basically this element here, which is three different elements, and how we can apply the text wrap to the text. So to start with, we'll actually just make our object style, right? So let's do a new object style. This is going to be our image object style. Image. So basically, we want to make sure we've got a text wrap, right? So there's in text wrap, and we're going to use our wraparound object, and we know that we like to do largest area with detect edges. It doesn't really matter what you do here. It's just to have something here. All right. So we basically know that we can just put this in here, and it will work reasonably well. Okay. So could I make it a bit smaller, maybe? Try and make it a little bit more presentable. All right. So what if we want to now put in this one? Okay. All right. So obviously we need to group it together. So we grouped it together. You can see that if we take a look a bit more closely, you can see you have the dotted edge on the external amount of that. And then we need to do object style, and we press image, and it did not work. So basically it's removed all the fill and and the stroke from the line as well. Just as an aside before we go into the solution, you can find arrows in here. So that is not good, right? So how are we actually going to solve that? So the way we solve that is basically using an empty box. So we'll just put an empty box here. And what we have to do basically is we take this group, we copy it, and then we click on this empty box, and we do a paste into, and then we're also going to do paste into, and then fit frame to content. And then what we can do is then put the object style on here. Okay. And now it works.